Hello there, my name's David Walker. I'm an artist. I've been an artist for 30 odd years. I've done demonstrations all over the place, and I've joined Udemy so that I can reach a worldwide audience. The picture we're going to do in this tutorial is inspired by my favourite watercolour artist, J.M.W. Turner, and this picture he painted is a sunrise in Venice. Now there's arguments to where it was painted, but we're just using it as a starting point really. We're going to end up with our own picture. Now to paint this picture you're going to need just 3 brushes, 4 colours, a piece of paper, some tape and a board really, and water obviously. There's a full list of what you require in the free tools required video, so take a look at that. Now when I'm doing this tutorial I do it live. I paint the picture from start to finish and I take you through exactly how to paint your own picture in the same way. Now this means I can't edit out little pops or little noises you hear or little mistakes, so you see the good with the bad really. It's not a perfect video because I can't go back. Once I put a wash on it stays on, it's part of the picture and I can't go back and change it. This video that's going on at the side here, it shows you the whole process. I've sped it up massively, it's going really quick as you can see. Now that just shows you me painting the picture from start to finish and you can see the whole thing in one go. I've put the full sped up video on the course so you can watch it at your leisure. You don't need any drawing expertise in this tutorial. We do most of it with the brushes. We do a little tiny bit with the pencil, but I talk you through exactly what you need to do, so don't worry about your drawing skills. There's very few required. So if you do the course a couple of times, and maybe you're good enough to do it just the once, but you'll end up with a really nice watercolour painting that you'd be happy to hang on your wall or give as a gift. Some of the finest gifts I've ever given are paintings that I've done, and people love them, and you'll notice they're on their wall for years. Now you can do the course as often as you like. You can do it 2 or 3 times. So if you get halfway through the first time and you've made a bit of a booby, start again. That's all you need to do. You can ask me any questions you want in the Q&A. So if you've got something that you don't quite understand, ask me, because that'll give me a pointer to anything that needs improving in this course. Okay, so sign up and I'll see you in the first lesson and we'll make a really nice picture together. See you soon. Bye.